Hello, welcome to the basement. This will be a short video. Oh, here I have a bag. Oh, I would say it's very much like an old vintage doctor's bag. Look at that. And it's got patina. It does. It's one of its little things that you would attach it to with the little, it's worn away. The handles are worn. It has a lock thing, but of course I don't have the key. But it looks, for its age, and I don't know exactly what its age is, looks pretty okay. It would certainly make a great prop for a movie, or to be sitting in the corner of a picture of a doctor's office or something of that nature. And I will try to find a good home for it. I'm leery about, oh, does the zipper, oh, the zipper has some flaws to it. I'm leery about trying to get it open because this thing is already falling apart. But anyway, there is a wonderful example of a doctor's bag. I had another one somewhere, I probably do, and I lent it for some kind of thing, and one of the handles got broken, but no, nothing was said about it, just, oh yeah, thanks for the thing. It got kind of ruined. Anyway, I will look for something. This also, yes, it would be a cool prop for a play, a movie, just something in a doctor's office, like in the corner, maybe with old doctory things. Anyway, I will find a suitable home. It's see in the bottom down here. It's a little rough, but still, say you were doing a movie about an old doctor, you can get a new bag and spend a whole lot of money to make it look old. Or here you have it, an old, weathered doctor's bag of sorts. I mean, patina like this, it would be difficult, not impossible, because those people who work on movies, they're magic. They can do all kinds of things. But I wonder, the zipper here. No, I'm not going to mess with it. I am not going to mess with it. This, I perhaps will try, and well, yeah, I'll probably end up, well, I knew I was going to do more photography. I'd hang on to it. And who knows, maybe I will, but I think I will look to sell this perhaps online. We will see. We will. Maybe locally. Oh. All right. I'm just looking around to see if there's anything else that I can grab right here. You know what? What I might do, I might grab my yearbook from 2005. See, I worked in schools for a long time. And you know, I've helped a lot of people over the years. Some people, well, the people appreciate it. Other people don't get it. Here's one. Dave, you rock. Without you, we would be lost. Have an awesome summer. I will see you again next year. Oh, here's something. Dave, it's been an awesome year, and without you, it wouldn't have been the same. You are so much a part of what goes on at Hague that I don't know what we did without you before you came along. Thanks for being here on behalf of everyone. You have no idea how much you mean to the students at Hague. Thank you. Yes. Yes, it's a great thing when you dedicate your life and do lots of great things. And anyway, my story, my painful story, is not yet told, and it isn't going to get told here. Yep. Hey Dave, it's been great having you here as our hall monitor. Have a great summer. See you next year. P.S. Yearbook don't ever change. Yes. Indeedy. Hey Dave, it's been an amazing first year for me at Hague, and one person who has made this year as good as it was is you. I appreciate that you talked to me whenever I walked by you, and you made me feel so much more comfortable being here, a part of the school. You have been so kind, and I look forward to seeing you around next year. Just a small sample. On some of these, they're written so small, I will have to get my glasses out. I will. I will indeed. Anyway, I wonder. I've not looked at this for a long time. I wonder. If I'm in here somewhere. I suspect I am somewhere. Oh yeah. Actually, it's funny, the picture here, it's too small to show it, is it's at the formal. I have short hair, dark hair, and I think I'm in a tuxedo of sorts. Anyway, even still, this is now like 19 years ago. So a lot of these people are now mid to late 30s. So it's hard to read, but I will see. Thanks, Dave, for the great tour. It was wonderful to see that Hague is I think it's just such a great school. Had no idea it could change so much, but still stay kind of the same. Keep in touch. And this person left an email. I wonder, maybe I should write to them, see if they still have the email. Sounds like somebody who maybe was back teaching after having gone to the school. See, their school was ripped down. Boy, some of the stuff is really small. Dearest Dave, thank you so much for being the greatest hall monitor. You're an inspiration to the school, and you bring so much school spirit. Imagine. Imagine. Oh, here's a long one, but I can't read that because it looks like I got not as many people to sign. Oh, here's a picture. Oh, here's one. Graduating year this year, Jake Epstein, who was on Degrassi. Well, as he knows, well, Jake, if you ever see this, you the man. And thankfully they stopped giving him such a doofy looking haircut on Degrassi. All right. So, 2005. This, I think I will set aside with those other old magazines I was looking through. Because this is something that I think I will save. And it's a little bigger, but not much bigger than a regular kind of thing. So, that's it for now. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I'm going to keep working on getting stuff cleared out behind me here. Little by little by little. It is endless, as you will see. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.